If you need to read codes on your Rixon Espar heating system, the first thing that you want to do is make sure that the system switch is on. When the system switch is on, the red light will be on. Your thermostat will also be on. If you can't see if your thermostat's on, you can hit any of the buttons and it will become brighter. The next step to reading codes is to hold down both the red and the blue buttons on the Espar control panel on the lower right hand side of your panel. While holding these down, hit the system switch, turn the system switch off. The Espar panel will now turn on. Continue holding the buttons until it says maintenance mode. Once it says maintenance mode, release the buttons. It will say memory test, please wait. Memory test okay, diag line okay. And then you're gonna hit the red button underneath yes to read codes. You'll hear the heater cycle as it reads the codes, and then these are the 6 prior codes. This heater had no code on its last start, a code 31, and then 0000. If you want to erase the codes, you can hit yes to erase the codes. And then you can check again to make sure that the codes are gone. So this is what it will look like when there's no faults. Providing those faults to Rixon will help them diagnose what is wrong with your heater. When you're done, you can turn the system switch back on and it will shut the code reader off.